Go, planning number 5. Please, very much. We can apologize with us a question.
It's judge number 1. Our Miss Queen.
Miss Lee, good one, Saga.
Good evening, candidate number 5. How are you feeling tonight? I'm fine, thank you. Are you ready? Yes. My question. If you had to choose, which is more important, competitiveness or sportsmanship, and why? I repeat. If you had to choose, which is more important, competitiveness or sportsmanship, why?
Thank you for the wonderful question. If kung ako ay ang pagpili at kung ako ang pagpili, competitive or sportsmanship, I will choose sportsmanship. Because sportsmanship teach us discipline and good teamwork. Being success is not only about winning, but also about doing our best. For example, a team works together and they learn to trust each other. In that lesson, we can apply that in our work, at home, in school, and in college. And sportsmanship, that's all I know.
All right,